Hi friends, it's Linda here, and we're going to be talking about something that prevents many people from getting outside and enjoying nature, and that's bugs. It's hard to believe, but a lot of people don't like mosquitoes, they don't like horseflies, they don't like deer flies, and you know what? I can't say as I blame them, because some insects are real pests and some of them do bite. Not all of them, but some of them do. Speaking of the mosquito, have you heard that all mosquitoes bite? Because they don't. That's a myth. Only the female mosquitoes bite. Both male and female mosquitoes actually feed on nectar from plants, but the female mosquitoes need the protein in your blood to produce more eggs for later. Now, there's some things you can do to help yourself out to sort of combat those mosquitoes, and things you can do without actually having to wear bug spray, because bug spray in itself can be a little bit hazardous to your health too. So something you can do, mosquitoes are actually attracted to your breath, the carbon dioxide that you breathe out. So the more talking you do, the more heavy breathing you do, the more attracted they're going to be to you. The other thing is your sweat. There's something in your sweat that they're attracted to as well. So if you're sweating, so if you're moving around a lot, they're probably going to be more attracted to you. Now, if you wear clothing that is kind of contrasting colors, they probably won't be as drawn to you as they would be if you're wearing maybe one solid color. Also, certain foods can help. If you drink orange juice in the morning or maybe have an orange, the citrus in the orange will kind of come through your pores and act as a natural bug repellent. Now, if you eat bananas, they'll probably be a little bit more attracted to you. So just remember that. Mosquitoes are important though. They're part of the food chain. Hey, let's take a look at one. There she is, the mosquito. And even although we don't like her too much, she is part of the food chain, and she is food for other animals like dragonflies. Dragonflies and darners, they're in the same family. They like to live in wetlands, and they eat a huge number of mosquitoes. And they don't bite people, so they really are our friends. Occasionally, you might encounter a snail that has one slimy foot. And worms are important too, as they are our main decomposers. Now, the praying mantis can actually turn its head 180 degrees, and occasionally the female eats the male after mating. Now, grasshoppers and crickets look very much the same, except crickets have longer antennae than grasshoppers do, and they don't bite people. Bees play a really important role as the main pollinators. Their job is to carry pollen on their legs as they fly from flower to flower, and they are the reason why the plants are able to keep reproducing. The only one you really don't need to worry about at all is the honeybee, because they can only sting you one time before they lose their stinger. The bumblebee, they can sting you a few times, but really the only ones you need to be concerned about are the wasps and the hornets, as they can sting you multiple times. Tent caterpillars are actually very social creatures, and they use their tent as their home base. And the woolly bear caterpillar eventually develops into an Isabella tiger moth. Now, the monarch butterfly caterpillar can be spotted late in the summer, usually on a milkweed plant before it forms a chrysalis, and then later develops into an adult monarch butterfly. So you see, there are a lot of insects out there that are beautiful, and they don't bite, and we can appreciate them. Here's a white admiral butterfly. And let's end the day with one of my favorites, the Cecropia moth. It's a beautiful day. Don't forget to get outside and enjoy nature.